Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. Little short video, I hope, on engraving and trying to miss the embossed part of the cup, like a Yeti cup or this one or any one that has their logo embossed on it, and you want to miss it. I was just playing around for somebody I'm going to go visit, their son, and so all I did to do this, and it's really easy. This cup is 9 inches around, and the writing surface is about 5.5, so I made it 5.25. So I made the first box. This is, of course, is a little bit difficult because it's turned. Let me turn it to like I wrote it. And the embossed part, here's a little, well, let me ungroup it. And I didn't try to get real close, but I could have even got closer. So the embossed part is 2.5 inches tall by 1 inch wide. And I just made a box and then filled in the child's name all over it. And I'm going to group it back together. And then, of course, when you do a cup with a rotary device, you rotate it 90 degrees. So this would be the top of the cup. And I ran the job center. And if you put that, I actually put a piece of tape and I actually marked with a marker the exact center this way and that way. And I put my red dot pointer right there on the center. And then I ran it center. And what that does, it's going to make, if it's going to engrave the whole thing, it's actually, I engrave from the bottom up, which I think it doesn't really matter in a rotary device, but it's going to start engraving right here and go through and just not engrave there. So center in this case is the best. Well, I do all my cups center. And it really worked out. I mean, I totally missed the logo. I don't know what it would look like if I would have put a name across it, but it wouldn't have been probably nice. So give that a try. Just, make some measurements. And then, when you're drawing that, I worked in the center of the page. So when you get let me ungroup it again. When you make your box, just hit P and put it in the center of the page, and that's going to be in the center of that cup. And I did measure, the logo is exactly in the center of the cup. Pretty cool, kind of like a wrap. I could have taken a lot more time but it looks good all the way around. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.